Read and say.
Hello, Tomal. How is your grandmother? Hi. She's fine, thanks. Come, let me introduce my colleagues. Hi everyone. This is Tomal. And Tomal, meet Mr. Shaha and Mrs. Haider. And this is Miss Smith. She's a new English teacher here.
Hello, Tamal. Nice to meet you.
Hello everybody. Nice meeting you too.
Read and say from Activity A of your textbook. If you want to listen again, then click on the button.
Language focus. Useful expressions. To say goodbye, bye. See you later. See you.
Role play. Introduce one friend to another. Then say goodbye. Use the useful expressions.